All right, so this was the salad. Had some leftover guacamole. I put some edamames in there. Of course, that's the kale from earlier. Added some bell peppers if you guys didn't see that. And then I had some leftover fish. Make sure you get all caught up on the previous vlog. Welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we're doing today. Hey girl, hey, and guys too. Welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day, beautiful, but it's in the evening time and I am hungry. So today we are going to make some tofu, all right? So if you're interested in this video, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so thank you so much for staying tuned. All right, so this is the tofu that we have, the organic tofu. Costco, I opened it, I should have, it's okay. And this is the, which one did I get? Is this the firm? Extra firm, okay? Extra firm. All right, so I am using the paper towel method. I've had it in this paper, in these paper towels, lots of paper towels for about, I would say, a good 5 or 6 hours, okay? So we're gonna take off the paper towels. We got a lot of the moisture out, all right? So let's go ahead. I'm probably just gonna do everything off camera and do more like music, okay? And then talk you guys through it perhaps, or put it in writing, okay? All right, let's do this. Okay, so the food is done. So we must try. I must share with you all before we end this video. Looks absolutely amazing. You guys already seen it. I did a close-up shot of it already. All right. So with the sesame oil and the rice vinegar and the aminos and the maple syrup, nice mix. And the kale and purple onions are optional. You can do green onions, but I like purple onions. So the avocado, optional. But the salad in itself, the tofu in itself, is good. So this is a perfect tofu salad. For anyone that does not know how to make tofu, this is perfect. Do not cook it too long because you'll have a, tofu is just a spongy taste, period. But just don't cook it too long if you want to have like a little bit of firmness in the middle. This is extra firm, remember. But yeah. You want another bite? All right, guys, so this is overall a great salad. Anything I would do different, I would probably add a little more maple syrup. But since I'm being careful with calories and sugar, I didn't add any more. But anyway, we are done. Simple, simple, simple recipe. So, hey, it's been real, it's been fun, but your girl is done. Bye, guys.